Today I'm going to talk about how to create a Google assignment. So to begin, you're going to want to have an assignment in your Google Drive that you want your students to complete. So here I have a colonialism assignment for my AP Human Geography class that I'm going to use for my students. So head back to Schoology, and in Schoology you're going to find the folder that you want to create the assignment in. You're going to click on Add Material. When you go to Add Material, you click on Add Assignment. And you create an assignment just like you would any other Schoology assignment. So I'm going to title mine Colonialism Assignment. And fill out the rest of the required fields as you would for anything else. Due dates, etc. Then you're going to click right here where it says Assign from Apps. So you're going to click on Google Drive Assignments. From here, you're going to find the assignment in your Google Drive. So if you have never used your Google Drive app on Schoology, it will ask for you to allow access to your Google Drive. But once you've done that once, you should see everything in your Google Drive. You may search up here for the assignment. And because I've had my students do this already, it shows me everything, so I'm going to get rid of that. Otherwise, you will just find the folder that is in. My colonialism assignment. Things end up a little bit out of order, so it requires a little bit of searching. I'm going to attach it. From here, I'm just going to create the assignment. And my assignment ended up right here. When I click on my assignment now, I'm going to see that it kind of ends up looking different than a regular Google assignment. Here I'll see the assignment with the attachment right here. I'll also be able to see the in-progress assignments. So these will show me every student, and it'll also show me whether or not each student has opened up the document yet. In the submissions, right now there are no submissions to this assignment, but you can see that this is where you're going to see the submissions to your assignment. So that's how it will look. And then since I actually have created this assignment already, I'll show you what it looks like on the other end. So now this is an assignment where students have turned it in. And so I can go through my list and I can grade it directly from here. You click over here to grade it, you enter a score for your students, and then you can go to each individual one. You may also see students that are still working on it. You can see their work if they haven't turned it in yet, and you can kind of see where they're at, or you can also see if they haven't even opened up their assignment yet. In order to get credit for creating a Google assignment, you are going to take a screenshot of your assignment and submit it to the assignment in this folder. So you may just take a screenshot of your, the assignment page that looks like this. All right, thank you.